Good morning students of class 6. This is our first video from revision test of second unit. In this video we will revise some MCQ questions which will help you in examinations. So let us start the video. The first question is, the government in India works at dash levels. As we know, there are three levels of government in India. The first was central government, second is the state government, and third is local self-government. So there are three levels of government in India. Next question is, the Constitution of Free India grants the principle of universal adult franchises to all citizens who are above the age of. According to universal adult franchises, as we know, the citizen whose age is 18 years or above 18 years, he or she is eligible to give the vote, irrespective of their caste, sex, color, place of birth, etc. Answer should be 18 years. Next question is, who are the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he belongs from the Meher caste, and he was also known as the father of Indian constitutions, as well as he was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. The next question is, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born in dash community. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he belongs from Dalit class. So he was born in Meher caste. The script of Indus Valley civilization was what? The script of Harappa civilization was pictographic. Pictographic script means the scripts which are related with pictures, sign or symbols are called as pictographic script. Next question is, dash was a burial site in the ancient India. First is Bhimbetka, Mehergarh, Harappa, and all of them. So Mehergarh was a burial site in ancient India. The houses of Mehergarh were square and rectangular houses. The change in the position of the earth around the sun bring changes in. Number 1 is month, second is week, third number is day and night, and the fourth number is season. So due to the revolution of the earth, it causes changes in season. So answer will be number 4, seasons. As the position of the earth changes, at the position of the earth changes around the sun, it brings the changes in the seasons also. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? First is Japan, second is India, third number is New Zealand, and the fourth number is Australia. So Japan is the country which is known as the land of rising sun. Indian Parliament abolished manual scavenging in dash. Indian Parliament abolished manual scavenging in 1993. The reddish brown clay which was used for making pot was, first one is terra clay, second one is brown clay, third one is terracotta, and the fourth one is sand clay. The reddish brown clay means burnt baked clay is called as number 3, terracotta. Terracotta was used in Harappan civilizations for making pot, seals, and toys. The first site of the civilization to be excavated was, it was excavated in, first one is Harappa, second one is Lothal, number 3 is Kalibangan, and the fourth one is all of these. The first site of the civilization was excavated in 1856. The place was Harappa. Harappa is a place which is in, earlier it was in Punjab, now it is shifted in, it is in Pakistan. The city of Harappa was situated in. The city of Harappa was situated in dash Punjab first, second is Gujarat, third is Rajasthan, and the fourth number is none of these. The city of Harappa was situated in Punjab. Earlier it was in Punjab, but now it is in Pakistan. Agriculture lead to a settled life. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true, because after Paleolithic age, in the Mesolithic age, when due to climatic change, early man, they learned to grow crops in the Mesolithic age, and the same thing would be carried forward in the Neolithic age also. So they started to lead a settled life when they have learned to grow the crops. 21st June in the northern hemisphere is the dash longest day, number B shortest day, number C has equal hours of day and night, and number D is none of these. We know that 21st June is called as the longest day because in the northern hemisphere there will be summer solstice. Changes of season is caused by, so first one is revolution of the earth around the sun, inclination of the earth axis, both A and B, and number fourth is none of these. The changes of season is caused by the revolution of the earth around the sun. Longitude help us to find the dash. It help us to find distance. It help us to find climate. Number third is time, and the fourth is all of these. So longitude, it help us to find the local time. It help us to find the time. Next question is, discrimination on the basis of skin color is known as dash. First is dictatorship, third number is apartheid, second number is apartheid, third number is democracy, and the fourth number is all of these. Apartheid is the answer. The policy of racial discrimination between the black people and white people is called as apartheid, which was started in South Africa. The axis of the earth is inclined to the plane of the earth's orbit at an angle of dash 90 degree, 66.5 degree, 23.5 degree, and number 4 is all of these. So earth is inclined to the plane of its earth orbit at an angle of 66.5 degree, and to its vertical plane it will be 23.5 degree. Caste based discrimination denies respect and dignity. The answer will be true. Next one, women in England were given the right to vote and were treated at par with men in which year? So women in Britain were given the right to vote and were treated at par with men in men in 1928, and the answer will be true. In 1928 the movement was there. That movement was called as the suffragette movement, and according to suffragette movement, women have got the right to vote and they were treated at par with men in the Britain, New Zealand, Australia and France. The next question is, the law making body of a government is the, first is executive, second is judiciary, third number is legislature, fourth number is constitutions. The law making body of a government, we know there are three organs of a government. First number is legislature, second number is executive, and the number third is judiciary. So the answer will be, law making body is called legislature. Executive work is to execute the laws, and judiciary work is to interpret the law and to provide justice. So thank you students.